constituents, my fellow Goans. 7 days have passed since I've joined the TMC, and it was a decision may have surprised a lot of my supporters, my close friends, and well wishers. But I can vouch that this decision is a good decision taken in the interest of my people and my state, and only time will tell. Many parties approached me, but I joined the TMC. I see that it is a party that can defeat the BJP. I have not joined the BJP, and I have not shifted sides after winning the elections. At the end of my term, I have taken a decision, and we have taken a decision which will help my people. Getting elected is one part, but after two terms, getting elected and not completely fulfilling the aspirations of my people, the work of my people, that was very important, which from time and again we have been doing. Every time we have been taking up issues in the assembly, nothing happens more than that. We have our own people not supporting in the assembly. Every time we have work, we have a problem. So I've taken a decision. We have taken a very good decision, and a party which has the fire, which has the intent, a party which is ready to fight the BJP on the streets, have got the infrastructure, have got the know how, have got surveys, have got so many things which will have a say in winning the 2020-22. Now, 2020-22, people want me at the helm of affairs. All these factors have made it, and I have made up my mind that we have to somehow reach the ruling 2022 and have a ushering development in my constituency. My development has suffered in the constituency because I have not switched sides. I have remained loyal with the party. I have always been a firm person who has taken up issues in spite of having people telling us not to take issues. I have been like an activist. Maximum number of questions I have taken up in the assembly, and I have received accolades for it. Congress party made me a working president. I never demanded it. They made me a working president. Maybe they had obvious reasons. And whatever suggestions I give, whenever I had to give suggestions, it was never taken to its logical end. And I could make out that there are so many tricks being played now to malign my image. So many, the way they are projecting, like as though I'm a villain. When I have got no any issues about corruption nor issues about any intent to destroy the interest of the state on any issues. I have been taking up issues right from 2007 when I first became MLA till this day. Leaders who have no intent to go into ruling nor fight the opposition. No forceful attack against the BJP. My track record shows that I have always taken it head on to the BJP. And now I feel that this decision, I know a lot of people, my own supporters, are surprised. I want to tell them, only time will tell. I want to tell them that to stand by me and in this fight, to reach, to take my people and usher development in my constituency, in my state. I want to tell my people also that there is no compromise on whatsoever interest, whatever may be the interest of the constituency and the state. There is no compromise on any issue nor any interest where the state is involved. I'm very clear about this, and I think I would like to request my people and my state. You may be surprised with my decision, but it is really taken in the interest and sincere interest of the state as well as my people. आता तिकेटीचे फर्स्ट लिस्टाचेर उलयलो बाब चिदंबरम की फर्स्ट लिस्टान डिफीट जावपाचो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून तेजेर आनी हांव नेना विथ फर्स्ट लिस्टान जर तर तूं डिफिटेड कॅन्डिडेट घालता जाल्यार तुमगे फ्युचर कितें म्हण हांव नेना आनी सेकंड थिंग इट डजंट फर्स्ट लिस्टान घालून फाटल्यान हे भाशेन करपाचें की म्हाका हें करपाचो डिस्ट्रॉय करपाचो टॅक्नीक आहलोली कितें म्हूण कोणना इंटेन्शन कोणना तांची सो दॅट इज वाय आय हॅव टू टेक दीस डिसिजन टू टेक माय पीपल इन टू द रुलींग take my people where there will be development. Take my people getting elected is okay. मुखार कितें 2 टर्म आमी इलेक्ट जाल नाय तें करपा लागून आमी हें डिसिजन घेतलें तो म्हणटा जाल्यार हांव ना आय रेस्ट माय केस आय डोंट वांट टू से एनीथिंग बिकॉज आय नेवर लायक टू टॉक अगेन्स्ट समबडी हू आय वाज विथ आनी तांकां आतां कळ्ळें इतले तेंपान म्हजें उलोवपाक.
Since you have joined TMC, because are you finding it difficult or is it us?
See, I worked for 3 terms, sincerely worked with my people. I have taken up agriculture work to my best. I have put systems in place which previously were not there in the constituency. Like, for example, there was no office also in the constituency. See, what I am speaking, you have the right to ask me questions, but I will be telling you that I am not telling lies on whatever I am telling you. There is no question, there is nothing but the truth. There was no single office in my constituency. There was no system in place where people could come and voice their grievances. We had a service to the people. We had morgue services. We had electrical services. We had ambulance services. We had husband services. We had so many things. We would even do work of cleaning the constituency, keeping it clean. We would even remove garbage which was spit on the roads, which was thrown on the roads or by the roadsides. We used to do so many things, even cutting of branches in the electricity department, which would, because we could not afford to get underground cabling in our constituency, so that there would be no failures of lines. All this we did, which was previously not done. All this work was put in place by me, which was had nothing in the constituency. For example, we had some blood testing center. A lot of people opposed my blood testing, diabetes testing, and some small things. Small things. We met what mattered. The common man, the real गरजेवंत कितें पावपा वस्त आमी हाडली आमी बऱ्या मोगान काम केलें 3 term. With that, I want to tell my people now that it will be my endeavor to take you to ruling and take you to a place where we will be able to do more work. I will go to my people back again and convince my people. It's because we have done so much of work for the last 3 terms that we could, that I have the courage to go to my people and explain to them. I know that they are surprised. They are taken a little aback. It will be my endeavor to see that I go to them and get them on my side back again. And by the way, I don't want to speak about anything more about the Congress party because I have seen closely for the last 8 months what is the state of affairs there. How we could not even, get as a campaign chief, could not get even one hoarding, could not get even one material. It took them so long to tell them this is what they were doing. This is what they were doing inside the party, tarnishing my image inside the party only. And it continues. At least now I have left them, tell them to stop that.
Mr. Reginald,
Yes.
adding to that same question, you say Congress had appointed you as vice chairman of coordination committee, then you were chairman of campaign committee, then suddenly you went during midnight, you went to meet poll strategists. That time also party said they supported you. Then there were rumors that you are joining TMC. What is this confusion? All this, can you tell us?
See, in the midnight when I went, there were a lot of, wherever I went, there were others who were not caught on camera. It's because I was not. It's because I was not willing to do what others wanted. That's why I was caught there. Otherwise, I would have not been caught.
What was that?
Whatever.
Whatever.
You know it better, being the press. But I
You
will
can
tell you.
disclose it, no?
One second.
Who were there? Who were with you?
See.
Who were there? Who were with
See,
you that time?
I have already said that wherever I have gone is because they were not. I was not doing what they wanted that it happened. So I have already explained previously. Now I have already taken a decision.
So, but I'm asking you, what was that confusion? All that has happened.
Confusion is
You
because,
are blaming Congress, but they say you are given everything.
see, you want to tell that everybody now. Last time they said that other parties left, some other fellows left, so they also were given and they left.
They have given their
Justification. So they are just trying to tarnish my image. That's all. These people are just trying to tarnish my image. They have nothing else to say against me. So that is the whole, mechanism what they're using. Now instead of using that mechanism to reach to power, I think they should do that.
These positions were not given to you.
Sorry,
These positions were not
only on paper.
only on paper.
Yes, nothing more than that. There were 5 meetings were held with the MGP. A lot of parties had meetings with but I was nowhere in the picture.
Yes, you
Mr.
are.
Reginaldo, by your own confession, you just admitted that they allowed you to do everything you wanted to do for your constituency. So where was the frustration?
Who?
You just told us that you did a whole lot of things.
I did on my own. I did everything on my own. I spent my own personal money.
But nobody stopped you.
For the last 15 years, no one, I did everything. I did all work in my constituency.
आप देख रहे हैं सक्षम न्यूज इंडिया, सबसे पहले सबसे तेज।